In 1831, Victor Hugo changed the course of literature and of architecture with a single novel, this one, Notre-Dame de Paris, better known to English readers as The Hunchback of Notre-Dame. This is one of the first editions published in Paris by Charles Gosselin, a beautifully preserved two-volume set, the moment the world first met Quasimodo and Esmeralda. At its heart, Hugo's novel is more than the cathedral or its tragic inhabitants. It's about civilization itself, how beauty and faith can endure even as time, ambition, and human cruelty threaten to erase them. Through his vivid reconstruction of 15th century Paris, Hugo gives us not just a story, but a world filled with ringing bells, shadowed streets, and the soaring grandeur of Gothic architecture. And that architecture mattered. When Hugo wrote Notre-Dame de Paris, France was tearing down many of its medieval buildings. His novel wasn't just a work of imagination, it was a call to action. The book ignited a movement to preserve Gothic monuments and directly inspired the restoration of Notre Dame. From a literary standpoint, this is one of the defining works of Romanticism, a fusion of passion, history, and moral vision that reshaped European art and thought. And from a collector's perspective, it's something even rarer, one of roughly 1,100 first edition copies surviving in such fine condition nearly 2 centuries later. Notre-Dame de Paris isn't just a masterpiece of storytelling, it's a book that changed how an entire culture saw its own past. This extraordinary first edition of Victor Hugo's Notre-Dame de Paris is available to view and purchase in our Worth Avenue gallery and on our website, raptisrarebooks.com.